So today we're going to learn a little bit about how to separate out CAD or DXF that you receive over the internet. Especially, you go onto eBay and you buy these 20 pieces of CAD and they're all on the same sheet here. In this case I'm going to have four pieces here that I'm going to try to pull from, and I'm going to show you how we can do that with some relative ease. Let's go over it. One of the things you're going to need to do is square select, and that's with this. You click, you hold, and you pull on the screen, and you have to be in the pointer tool. Always have to be in the pointer tool. Never not be in the pointer tool when you're doing this, because that's the only way to square select like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to square select. Unlike AutoCAD, AutoCAD has a slightly different feature here. QCAD, you click and you pull, and same thing, click and pull, and you've selected it. Now there can be those cases. Let's say I accidentally select. Ooh, this ends up in the selection. So let's see if I can make that happen here. Nope, it's not letting me do that. Okay, cool. So maybe you'll be lucky like I was and not have to do that. But you select one by square selecting. You click, you hold, and make sure you get the entire image into the entire image you want into that square. And then what you're going to do is you're either going to copy there, or you can hit Control C. Either way, copy. So right click, you'll see here Control C, copy. And then I'm going to go File, New. You'll notice the new screen pops up. I go File, Paste. And it'll allow me to then paste that over. Then I'll save this one as, save as concentric circles, Concentric circles 1. And now I've saved this file individually for me to edit and or to cut. And from here, you can, mess with it in QCAD itself, or go over to Inkscape and mess with it. But from here, you now have separated it out. And we're just going to go ahead and do that one more time. I'm going to take this middle one here. I'm going to copy, and then go over to File, New, right-click on the screen, click Paste, and move it into position. And technically you can move it anywhere on the sheet if you want to edit it. But for here, this is what we're doing. And then we're going to go File, Save As, Concentric Circles 2. And there we go. 2 sets of concentric circles for our system. So now you know how to separate out DXFs from those that you buy online, especially when they set them up like this. And perfect. This is actually a perfect example. You'll notice I'd accidentally selected these 2 outer circles here, which is unfortunate because I want to be able to remove those 2 lines out of this selection, because sometimes those pieces of CAD are a little too close together. So what we do is we hold Shift and we click on those pieces of CAD that we had accidentally selected. So remember, we hold Shift, and I can hold Shift and actually add to this selection, or hold Shift and remove from this selection. It will select whatever you want, as long as you're continuing to hold Shift. Hold Shift is just a way for us to copy or grab more than one thing while still holding on to another thing. It's like juggling multiple things at the same time. Holding Shift allows you to put more into whatever you're trying to copy. So hold Shift, click, click, and click on the lines I want to copy over, or continue to hold Shift, or hold Shift again and click on those lines while still holding Shift to remove the selection or keep from selecting the item. For example, if I wasn't holding Shift, I'm going to go ahead and let go of Shift right now. If I wasn't holding on to Shift and I click on that line, you'll notice my selection completely disappears. It's like dropping a tool and picking up a new one. Holding Shift allows us to hold multiple tools, multiple pieces of this CAD. And now, back to holding Shift, I can click through 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, there we go. So, that being said, that should take you to where you need to be. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.